Economic confidence is down again in the week ending June 24th. That's the fourth week in a row we have seen it descend, go down. Now it is at minus 26. At one point not too long ago, it was at minus 16, as you see in front of you. Let's go back a little in history. If we look last summer, things were really in the basement. That was after the debt ceiling problem, you'll well remember. We had economic confidence as low as minus 52 in early fall, and then it started to rise. Things looked good. As I mentioned, it climbed all the way to that minus 16, but now it started to go back down again. Why, you ask? Well, we're not sure. A journalist just called me a day or two ago and said, but gas prices are descending rapidly. Shouldn't Americans be more positive and ebullient about the economy? Well, that's not the case. During this last 4 weeks when we've seen gas prices go down, consumer confidence has gone down too. So clearly there's not a strong positive correlation between those two measures. Things that are going on out there in the real world include the euro crisis. Maybe there are concerns about that. And the stock market, of course, has been up and down, but clearly is not showing that it's in really positive territory. What are the implications of economic confidence? Well, they're big for the presidential race. Lydia Saad and I did some calculations a couple of months ago, published the story here on Gallup.com, and said it looked like that economic confidence should be at about a minus 15 or so for a president's job approval rating to be at 50% or higher, which is where a president wants to be. So with economic confidence now at minus 26, that certainly does not bode extremely well for President Obama at this point in time. But his job approval rating, even as we speak, for a three-day average is at 48%, so it's not too far below that 50% level. We've got unemployment reports coming out for June and for July, and what those show us probably will have an impact on consumer confidence as well. All we can tell you now is we have for the last 4 weeks seen consumer confidence, as we measure it, economic confidence, go down, not up. We'll keep monitoring it in the weeks and the months ahead. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Gallup Editor-in-Chief.